Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to stop Discord from opening on start up. So guys, if you have a Discord installed into your device and it is starting up whenever you open up your computer, so to fix this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go to the taskbar down below. Now, over here, you just simply go for the task manager. So here on the task manager, you should be able to see on the left side of the screen, start up apps. So from here, you can just simply go ahead and find Discord over here. As you can see, we have the Discord over here and it is enabled. Of course, you could just simply right click on it and just simply disable the Discord that is starting up on the computer. Now, for the second method, if you don't find the Discord over here, you could go directly to the settings. So go to your settings, and now here on the settings, go for the apps, and then go ahead and go for the startup down below, as you can see over here. So click on it, and if you find the Discord over here, make sure to turn it off as well, so it will not be opening up once you have your computer startup. And pretty much you will have other applications as well over here that you might want to turn off during the startup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.